Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have more than one videos on one screen using the video collage feature on Wing. So if you open the Wing app here, you can just scroll down and tap on the collage option. Now you can choose up to 9 videos or image to create a collage video. In this case, I'm going to use videos, so you can click on the videos and find the videos that you want. After you select it, you can click on start. Okay, after you tap on start, and you can see the preview here, but you can always edit the templates if you want to edit the layout. Here you can also edit the frames and adjust the length, or also add music to the clips. And if you like it, you can click on save at the top. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.